Hi, welcome to my channel, Mommy Jill Vlogs. So this is my very first time to do a vlog and to give you some. Okay, so yun na nga, that's what you call dead air. Anyway, so please bear with me. This is my very first vlog and I know I will get better soon. Okay, so but for today, I would just like to share to you this makeup look that I did. I think for me, it's very fresh, simple, and natural. Okay, and what is more trendy about this is that this makeup look is intended for your virtual meetings or your virtual interviews. Okay, so not because we are just at home and we just woke up and then face our cameras and do the meetings, so hindi na tayo mag-aayos. Just a simple and quick makeup will do to brighten up your day and also yung mga makakausap mo on your meeting. Without further ado, let's do it. The first thing that you will do is to cleanse your face, put on a moisturizer, spread it evenly on your face. And don't forget your neck too. For this look, I want to achieve a dewy, natural look. So I put on an illuminating primer oil. And I put drops on my face and spread it evenly. I also put on some concealer on some parts of my face, especially the under eye. And then my foundation, I'm using a stippling brush in a circular motion. Banana powder. And now for the eyebrows. The eyeshadow. I'm using earth tone colors, very natural. Eyeliner, curler, mascara, now for the blush on. For the lips, I choose the color red so that I wouldn't look pale, a lip tint from Revlon. That's it, and that's my final look. Very simple, fresh, and easy to do. I hope you like it.